Welcome once again to Isifedu blog. My name is Sir Henry. I'll be taking you in this particular video on simple machines. But before we venture into that, remember to follow the link and go to get your exercises, your Waec past question, Jamb, post-TME, and so on. Now, also remember to subscribe, share, and like. Okay, let's quickly go over to what we have today. On the board, we have the lessons objectives. So these are the lesson objectives where our focus should be. This is based on your Waec, Jamb, and post-TME. So the first thing we are going to treat today is the definition of machine, a simple machine. What is a simple machine? We are going to treat that. The second objective here is terms used in simple machine. You can hear something like the effort, the load, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and efficiency. So we are going to handle those ones. Now the next thing we have the types of machines. What are the types of machines we have? Now the last thing is the calculations on different types of machines. Different types of machines have different calculations, but when we enter that, we see how to treat that. So quickly, let's enter the definition of simple machine. Okay, now this is what a machine is. What is a machine? A simple machine, to be precise, is a device by which a force, that force is called an effort, by which a effort applied at a point is used to overcome a resisting force. The resisting force is called the load at another point. That is what a machine is. Therefore, anything can be a machine. But in this particular concept of machine, we are going to be treating specific types of machines. But anything that when you apply a particular force, which is an effort to the machine, and it is able to overcome a resisting force at another point, that particular thing, that particular device is called what? A machine. Now, let's quickly talk about what is an effort from this definition. An effort is the force applied to a machine. That is what you call an effort. The force applied to a machine is called an effort, while a load is the resistance that this force has to overcome. So that resisting force is called the load, which means that a load will always be greater than effort. A load will always be greater than effort. So in any question you'll be solving or you'll come across, you'll always observe that a load will always be greater than effort. Another thing you need to know is, from this definition, you can see that a load is a force. So a load is a type of force, as well as effort is a type of force. So we have different types of what? Forces. Please note that a load will always be greater than an effort. That is what makes, another person can say that a machine is any device that when you apply little effort, you can use it to overcome a bigger load. That is simply what a machine is talking about. Just apply little effort, you can use it to overcome a bigger load. Because if you are applying an effort that is greater than the load, that thing is not a machine, it's not helping you. A simple machine is meant to help. So quickly, we are now going to enter the terms used under simple machine. The terms used under simple machines.